In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan an Eventbrite QR code. This is a great skill for event organizers to streamline the check-in process. Let's dive right in. First, if you're using an iPhone or iPad, you'll need to download the Eventbrite Organizer app. This app is essential because it gives you the tools you need right at your fingertips. Open the App Store on your device, search for Eventbrite Organizer, and tap to download. Once installed, you can open the app directly from your home screen. This app is designed specifically for organizers, making event management much simpler. Now that you have the app open, you'll need to sign in with your Eventbrite Organizer account. This step is crucial because it connects you to your specific events. Enter your credentials and tap to log in. If you haven't set up an account yet, you'll need to do that on the Eventbrite website. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your current events. Next up, select the event for which you want to scan tickets. This ensures you are checking in attendees for the correct event. Simply tap on the event name, and you'll be taken to a dashboard with various options. From here, locate and tap the check-in button. This is your gateway to managing attendee entries smoothly. At this point, tap the scan icon. This icon is usually represented by a small barcode or QR code image. Selecting this option is important because it switches your device into scanning mode. It's a quick way to transition from managing attendees to actually checking them in. You may be prompted to allow camera access. If prompted, make sure you grant this permission. Allowing camera access is necessary because your device camera will be used to read the QR codes. Without this step, you won't be able to scan the tickets. With that ready, point your camera at the attendee's QR code. The QR code might be on their phone or a printed ticket. Hold your device steady and make sure the QR code is well lit and clear. The app will automatically recognize it when the camera captures the code accurately. Holding the camera steady is key to a successful scan, and it saves time by avoiding multiple attempts. Once the code is recognized, you should see a confirmation message appear on your screen. This message will indicate that the ticket is valid and the attendee has been checked in. This confirmation is important because it provides immediate feedback that the ticket is processed correctly. You can now confidently welcome the attendee to the event. In summary, using the Eventbrite Organizer app to scan QR codes is a straightforward process. It enhances the check-in experience for both you and your attendees. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth entry for everyone involved. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you in managing your events more efficiently.